Good work tips doing timber frame builds. I do make up all of the frames on the wall. I don't tend to do the infills around the window just to make it lighter, and I don't put the ply on, same reason. But if there is any discrepancies in any of the brickwork, I brace it all up on the inside, then ply it. I like to leave the ply off to last so the wind can blow through it. That way it won't pull up any of the brick or anything like that. Double timber on the window, take lintel, one on the side. These windows have got to come down a bit, but instead of doing a little noggin above the lintel, I just go up tight, then put a noggin in underneath. I try and get the joists in line with the studs. I work it all out for the plasterboard on the inside, and joists sit on top so the weight's spread down. Not that it matters with a double plate, but it's just good practice. And I'll do the same on the next wall up. That way the ply goes all the way up. That works well. But what I like to do is, on my timber frames, is run my ply long ways and stagger them. That way it ties everything in nice and neat and makes everything nice and structural. You don't get kicks in the plasterboard as well. Good work tips, I hope it helps.